Hello and welcome. This video walks us through the process of setting up an individual user on the StatDeck platform. This is a different setup, or slightly different setup, than what we will see setting up a company or team users on the StatDeck platform, which is covered under a separate video. Okay, first thing we'll do is log into the StatDeck account, StatDeck platform, using the account where you will be doing your appraisal work. And this is an important point because this is the repository for your appraisal files. You need to approve permissions. And that's it. We're logged in and ready to continue with housekeeping tasks to get set up. The next thing we will do here is set up our subscription. So we'll go to pricing and plans. And again, we are setting up an individual account here. Click subscribe. Now I'm going to use a discount coupon. For those of you that are interested in a discount coupon, send me an email and we can talk about that. And subscribe. This will activate the subscription. Now, if you're partway through the month, the initial billing will be prorated for the portion of the month that remains. And you will see a subscription history here on this page. And when you go to your account menu, instead of seeing, or in addition to seeing pricing and plans, you now see a subscription. This is where you can find out your subscription status and your subscription history, and you can cancel anytime. All right, that sets up our subscription. The next step is to set up our vendor information. This is our appraiser and company information, which in turn populates appraisals going forward. There are two vendors, vendor one and vendor two. Vendor one is your information, and vendor two is typically the review appraiser or supervisory appraiser information, and of course that is optional. So simply complete this form. Some of this information is already here, populated automatically from your Google account. Add your license information. And you can add multiple licenses if you have them. And save that information. Okay, that takes care of our vendor information. The next step is to add our Google Workspace add-ons. Google Workspace add-ons are the extensions that power our Google Docs and Google Sheets automation. Now, if it is a team account, you'll have two options as you see here. If it is an individual account, you'll simply have one option, which is individual install. And that's what we'll run here. And you can see StatDeck has been installed. Here it's saying step 2 of 2 for additional setup. That actually refers to logging into the dashboard, which we've already done in this case. So we can ignore this and select done. We can close this tab. And that brings us back to our StatDeck dashboard. The dashboard, by the way, can also be installed on your phone or tablet with either iOS or Android operating systems. So that takes care of the basic housekeeping for getting an individual account set up and installed. In our next video, we'll talk about templates and projects on the StatDeck platform.